Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Windows desktop full of apps and windows, making it hard to focus? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to organize your workspace using virtual desktops. Step 1. First, open Task View. You can do this by clicking the button on your taskbar, or simply press Windows plus Tab on your keyboard. Here, you'll see all your open windows and desktops. To create a new workspace, just click New Desktop. Now you have a clean, empty desktop ready for work. Step 2. You can open apps or windows here and keep them separate from your main desktop. For example, use one desktop for work apps and another for personal apps, games, or entertainment. Switching between desktops is easy. Just press Windows plus Control plus left or right arrow, or use Task View to pick the desktop you want. Step 3. If you want to move an app to another desktop, just drag it in Task View. And when you're done with a desktop, close it by clicking the cross. Don't worry, apps on the closed desktop move to your main desktop automatically. Tips. Virtual desktops are perfect for multitasking and keeping your workspace clean. You can create multiple desktops for different tasks, projects, or even gaming setups. Keyboard shortcuts make it faster. Windows plus Control plus D create a new desktop. Windows plus Control plus F4 close current desktop. And Windows plus Control plus left or right switch desktops. And that's it, a clean, organized desktop in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an easy tech tip. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.